There are a lot of animals on our earth. They belongs to different kinds of species, families, genus, kingdom and class. We can see different kinds of animal all over the world. According to territories, animal species are different. These animals are most adaptive in nature. Some are herbivores and some carnivores, some domestic and some wild animals. But today, we will get to know about different national animals of different countries. So let's start the video with some national animals. The national animal is an animal chosen by a country as a symbol or emblem for that particular country. First, we will talk about India and its national animal, that is Royal Bengal Tiger. Royal Bengal Tiger can live up to 10 to 15 years in wild. Its scientific name is Panthera tigris. Its class is Mammalia. It belongs to Felidae family. Male tiger could be of 90 to 300 kg and female up to 65 to 170 kg on adult age. Their diet is carnivore. The tiger is the largest extant cat species and the member of genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its dark vertical stripe on orange-brown fur with a lighter underside. It is an apex predator, primarily preying on ungulates such as deer and wild boar. According to the Forest Department of India, their population is increasing day by day. This is a good news for all of us. Now the next country is Greenland and its national animal is polar bear. Its conservation status is vulnerable, means their population is decreasing day by day. Polar bear's scientific name is Ursus maritimus. Its class is Mammalia and it belongs to the Ursidae family. The mass of male polar bear is 450 kg, while females could be of 150 to 250 kg at adult age. The polar bear is a hyper-carnivore bear, whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle, encompassing the Arctic Ocean, its surrounding seas and surrounding land masses. It's a large bear, approximately the same size as the omnivorous Kodiak bear. It can swim up to 10 km per hour in water and can run up to 14 to 16 km on land in search of its food. Here, the next country is Afghanistan, with its national animal, snow leopard. The scientific name of snow leopard is Panthera onsiac. Its class is Mammalia and it belongs to Felidae family. Its order is Carnivora and phylum is Chordata. Their mass could be of 32 kg at adult. The snow leopard is also known as Ants. It is a large native cat to the mountain ranges of Central South Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Because the global population is estimated to number less than 10,000 mature individuals and expected to decline about 10% by 2040, It is a big reason to worry about. The next country is Russia, with its national animal Russian bear. The kingdom of Russian bear is Animalia. Its phylum is Chordata, class Mammalia, and order is Carnivora. It belongs to Ursidae family and its genus is Ursus. The Russian bear is a widespread symbol for Russia. It used in cartoons, articles, and even dramatic plays since as early as the 16th century, the relating alike to the Russian Empire, the Soviet Union, and the present-day Russian Federation. It was often used by Westerners, originated in British caricature and later also used in United States and not always in a flattering context on occasion. It was used to imply that Russia is big, brutal and clumsy. Here we have cow as a national animal of Nepal. The scientific name of cow is Bos taurus. It belongs to Bovidae family and its order is Artiodactyla. Cows can live up to 18 to 22 years and their gestation period is 283 days. If we talk about their mass, then the male adult bull could be of 1100 kg and female adult cow could be of 720 kg. Cattle or cow and bulls are the most common type of large domesticated ungulates. They are a prominent modern member of the subfamily Bovinae. They are the most widespread species of the genus Bos and are most commonly classified as Bos taurus. The jaguar is a large felid species and the only extant member of the genus Panthera native to the America. The jaguar's present range extends from southwestern United States and Mexico in North America, across much of Central America and south to Paraguay, the northern Argentina in South America. Its scientific name is Panthera onca and it can live up to 12 to 15 years in wild. The mass of jaguar up to 56 to 96 at adult. Their height is about 63 to 76 cm at shoulders. From nose to the base of the tail, they may be of 1.2 to 2 meter in length. Jaguar is the national animal of Brazil. Now we have an interesting creature, that is kangaroo. The kangaroo is a marsupial from the family Macropodidae. In common use, the term is used to describe the largest species from this family. The red kangaroo are indigenous to Australia. Their kingdom is Animalia and their gestation period is 34 days. The mass of red kangaroo could be of 47 kg, while eastern grey kangaroos are 50 to 66 kg. Kangaroos use their strong tail for balance while jumping. They are the tallest of all marsupial, standing over 6 feet tall. It is the national animal of Australia. Interesting fact about kangaroo is that the female kangaroos sports a pouch on their belly made by a fold in their skin to cradle baby kangaroo called joeys. Newborn joeys are just 1 centimeter long at birth, means only 2.5 centimeter. Now the next one is dolphin as national animal of country Greece with lifespan of about 55 to 60 years. Their mass is approximately 150 kg to 650 kg and length from 2 meter to 4 meters. Dolphin is a common name of aquatic mammals within the infraorder Cetaceae. The term dolphin usually refers to the extant families like Dolphinidae, Platanistidae, Inidae, Pantoporia, and the extant Lepotidae. There are 40 extant species named as dolphins. Dolphins are skilled hunters. They help each other to catch fishes. These animals work as team. Dolphins can communicate with each other with the help of sonar underwater. Sonar not only helps dolphins to hear, but it gives them a clearer picture of objects underwater. Their swimming speed is up to 60 km per hour. Now here is the cute one, the giant panda. It is the national animal of China. Giant panda belongs to Ursidae family. Its order is Carnivora, but its trophic level is herbivorous. Its lifespan is 20 years in the wild, with mass about 70 to 100 kg at adult. Their class is Mammalia and scientific name is Ailuropoda melanoleuca. Lifespan only 10 to 14 years. Family is Felidae. Scientific name is Panthera leo. Yes, it is the king, the lion king. The mass of an adult lion is 190 kg, while the lioness is 130 kg. Their diet is carnivore. The lion can run up to 80 km per hour maximum speed in short bursts. The lion is a species in the family Felidae and a member of the genus Panthera. It is most recognizable for its muscular deep chest body, short rounded head, round ears, and hairs tuft at the end of its tail. Lion is the national animal of England. Now I hope that you learned lots about these various national animals. If you find your national animal in this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care.